Hey there! In this quick lesson I want to show you a lick that I developed over the B-flat Dorian scale, and I developed this in order to practice and give you a way to practice some of the ways that you can connect 16th notes and triplets and interchange between them in the same line. So I've based this on, like I said, the B-flat Dorian scale, and the chord that I'm thinking of for this position is this one, which is at the 6th fret of the 6th string, 4th string, and 3rd string, and then the 8th fret of the 2nd string, giving us that natural 6, which is really the note of the scale that defines the difference between the Dorian minor scale and the natural minor scale. It's really that natural 6. So a lot of times I like to accentuate that when I'm playing in this type of mode. So to begin, this lick starts in this position, and it begins with a 16th note rest on beat 1. So the first note comes on the E of 1. So I'm going to count it out from the beginning. So it's 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and that's the first measure. So I'm going from the flat 3 to the 2 to the flat 7, then from the 1 down a perfect fourth to the 5th, and doing a similar pattern in the next octave, and then going to the next measure, I'm moving to a triplet pattern, going from here, which is kind of an encirclement, going B flat, G, and then playing A flat, and going up an A flat major 7 arpeggio in triplets, and then here I'm going to a 16th note, and then back to a triplet pattern, climbing from G, B flat up to E flat. So I'm reaching here a perfect fourth on the first string from B flat up to E flat. And then I'm going to slide my pinky up to the F, the 13th fret on the first string, and I'm going to do a pattern here that goes, so I'm pulling off from the 13th fret to the 9th fret, then hammering onto the 11th fret, and then doing that same pattern on the next string down. And in this part, I want you to be careful about the way you're phrasing it, because it can be really easy to make this, to get really heavy-handed on the notes that you're picking. So I could do, and it'll sound more like a triplet pattern, but this is actually a 16th note pattern. So you want to be really careful to accent the beginning note of each grouping. So if I count out, I'm counting 1 E and 2 E and so this note that I'm pulling off into from my pinky is the note that the second note grouping begins on, and that's really where you want to feel the accent here. So 1 E and 2 E and then into a triplet pattern using the natural 6, 5, flat 3, 4, 2, flat 7. And then the last measure is going to be, again, mixing up the 16th note and triplet rhythms, going up a B minor triad, then to the 4, so 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4. So last measure. I included 3 different tempos of this lick so that you could work it up if you feel like it, and I hope that you can focus on the note groupings, focus on accenting the first note of each grouping so that you're really digging into the time feel and getting the most out of this exercise. If you like this exercise and you want free sheet music, I've got a free PDF on my website, practicemakesbettermusic.com. The link is in the description, and when you're there, you can think about signing up for the mailing list so that I can let you know when I have new lessons coming out. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy.